OMG, look where we're staying now. So we just walked down that big hill. It don't look big, but it's big. It's long. But we are staying here. And we have the river behind us. Look at that other cute property it looks like they have. Let's see. Ya mismo nos metemos al río. Oh, they got swings. Oh, this is one of them upstairs room or beds. This is different. It's cute. This is what we call campo. Living the campo life. OMG. Y qué rico suena el río con el calor que tengo. This is beautiful. Let's see what's upstairs. Ay, me caigo. Jokahu Tree House. Oh, yay. All these stairs. I love them. This is where we sleep. There's actually a tree in here. This is a tree house. Wow, this is cool. I need to go get in that river. I'm hot.